Journey to Serenity, embracing daily mindfulness for inner peace and deep relaxation. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore some daily mindfulness practices that will help you find that inner zen and relaxation you've been craving. So grab your favorite cozy blanket, maybe a cup of tea, and let's get started. 1. Meditate. Meditation. It's like a soothing balm for the soul, isn't it? Despite its simplicity, meditation has this incredible power to transform our mental state, helping us cultivate equanimity and dive into a deeper sense of peace. Now, if you're new to meditation, don't worry, we've got your back. Find yourself a comfy spot away from all the noise and distractions. Close those eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Doesn't that feel good already? And here's the best part. You don't have to be a meditation guru to reap the benefits. Even just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. Plus, there are awesome resources out there like Calm with hundreds of meditations and programs to support you along your journey. So go ahead, give it a try. 2. Live in the present. Raise your hand if you've ever caught yourself dwelling on the past or stressing about the future. Yep, we've all been there. But here's the thing, the present moment, it's where the magic happens. It's where life truly unfolds. So how do we embrace the present moment? It's all about mindfulness, my friends. Whether you're eating, walking, or even scrubbing those dishes, immerse yourself fully in the experience. Notice the colors, the sounds, the smells around you. It's like giving your brain a little vacation, and trust me, it works wonders for that inner peace you're seeking. 3. Cultivate a positive mindset. Our minds are like these incredible machines, capable of shaping our reality in ways we can't even imagine. So why not harness that power for good? Cultivating a positive mindset is like flexing a mental muscle. And just like any other muscle, the more you work it, the stronger it gets. Start your day on the right foot by jotting down a few things you're excited about or grateful for in a journal. And here's a little tip. If a negative thought tries to sneak its way in, kick it to the curb and replace it with something positive. Trust me, your mind will thank you for it. 4. Develop love for yourself. They say loving others starts with loving ourselves, and boy are they right. But let's be real, this journey isn't always a walk in the park. We've all got our ups and downs. However, when it comes to inner peace, learning to appreciate ourselves is key. You are uniquely you, my friend, flaws and all. And guess what? That's something worth celebrating. So, how do we develop this love for ourselves? Take a moment, grab that pen and paper, and jot down what you love about yourself. And hey, if you hit a speed bump or two, think about what your best friend would say they love about you. 5. Practice self-care. Remember, taking care of ourselves isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So don't forget to carve out some time for yourself each and every day. You deserve it, and hey, it's a crucial step on the path to inner peace. But how do we practice self-care, you ask? Simple. Schedule in some you time. Yes, you heard me right. Put it in the calendar and stick to it like glue. Whether it's diving into a thrilling novel, indulging in a soothing bath, taking a peaceful walk in nature, or even busting out some relaxing yoga, make sure you prioritize yourself. 6. Visualize a peaceful place. Now close your eyes and let's take a little journey together. Visualizing a peaceful place is like giving your mind a mini vacation, transporting you to a world of calm and serenity. It's an incredibly powerful tool for escaping the stresses of everyday life and finding that inner peace we all crave. So how do we do it? Picture this. Think of a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a sun-kissed beach, a serene forest, or even a cherished memory. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? Whenever stress comes knocking on your door, simply retreat to this peaceful place in your mind and let the worries melt away. 7. Learn to breathe effectively. Now let's talk about the power of breath. Deep conscious breathing is like a magic potion for the soul, instantly calming the mind and bringing us back to the present moment. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to cultivate inner peace, even in the midst of chaos. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Take it at your own pace, and before you know it, you'll have your very own pause button whenever life starts spinning a little too fast. 8. Access nature. There's something truly magical about connecting with nature, isn't there? It has this incredible power to soothe our minds and instill a sense of peace within us. And guess what? You don't need to embark on some grand adventure to experience it. Keeping it simple can still reap amazing benefits. So, how do we access nature? Take a leisurely stroll in the park, dig your hands into some gardening soil, or simply lay back and watch the clouds drift by. 9. Be grateful. Gratitude, oh how powerful you are. Shifting our focus from what's lacking to what we already have can work wonders for our inner peace. It's like a fast-track ticket to happiness. Take a moment each day to jot down 3 things that brought you joy. They could be as mundane as enjoying a delicious meal or sharing a hearty laugh with a friend. Trust me, focusing on the good stuff can completely transform the way we perceive our day. 10. Work on acceptance. Let's face it, life is full of uncertainties and things we simply can't control. But instead of resisting or fighting against them, why not acknowledge them for what they are? So, how do we work on acceptance? Next time life throws you a curveball, try to let your feelings flow without judgment. It's not about being passive or giving up, but rather recognizing the reality of the situation and learning to work with it, rather than against it. 11. Foster deeper connections. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the power of connection. Surrounding ourselves with positive, uplifting individuals can truly nourish our souls and bring us that inner peace we crave. Reach out to a friend, spend quality time with family members who lift you up, and be fully present in those interactions. You'll be amazed at how these moments of togetherness can bring you peace in ways you never imagined. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. We hope you found these daily mindfulness practices helpful on your journey to inner peace and deep relaxation. Remember, finding peace within ourselves is a continuous process, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And hey, why not share it with a friend who might benefit from these practices too? We love hearing from you, so please drop us a comment below and let us know which mindfulness practice resonated with you the most. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, we're all ears. Until next time, stay mindful, stay peaceful, and always remember to take care of yourself. Sending you all love and light. Bye for now.